شو خنا بالكذا حركة ها فيتشر مكان نابع ولا جفا نابع تسلف عمت تشحن أسان 4 عامات ناقبره
آمين
قريب كده حج graduate قبل
Oh yeah man 3 days away
2 days away
Yeah man
ready for IT
Looks like it Yeah
تاكلوا مثل حركة ناقل مسكين
حركتنا مين بنا struggling here guys
We're on the progress bro we are on the progress yeah. We're gonna make it Eritrean Okay. Mahal na yung saat ahil yun. My goodness. Holy. Okay, this is how high it is today, see? This is how high it is today. See, this is my car. Oh, okay, gloves? Yeah. Berarti fall down also. This is the car. Yeah. What about hiding had Lake Kima? Yep. You see my shoes? Goodness. Shit. It's crazy. You see this? Oh, thank you, Mr. Windshield. You have done your part. Look at my shoes. My shoes. My goodness. How about that? Oh. Look at how high it is. So we're in school. I'm in the parking lot, not parking spot. Time to get out and go to school. There we go. Yo. We are finally here. That's not good at all. I gotta get my bag. Let me show you the view in the morning. It is cold. You can see it's cold. For your lights, headlights,
Yeah,
$6,500. Yeah, you might as well return that car back because that's too much. For a headlight, imagine you have to pay. If it's both, you gotta pay what, 12 grand?
Only have 2 years left.
Oh, for warranty?
No, so it's paid up.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
Well, I mean, I put down 16 grand,
Yeah,
so then I have a nice little payment. So.
that's pretty nice then. Doesn't give you a lot of trouble, so you're good.
That's been reliable.
It is being reliable.
Pretty sick camera.
The man says it's reliable. What did you say about your car?
It's reliable.
What is your car again?
2018 Audi A4.
He's bragging. That's what he does.
No, it's not some shitty old Beamer.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Nothing against Beamers, eh? We love Beamers here. Anyway, that's a day in the life. We got Manny on the side. He's just busy doing whatever he's doing. Manny, what are you doing? What are you doing over there?
Getting ready for the shop.
Shop. That's the man, the legend, the businessman. Future millionaire in the building. حبوا شيء ميكانيك نخاطو انت تمخرم تقال وين تايم بالك زو حدشت
ዝኾነ ጀማር ማለት እዩ
ያ ማት كجمبر دل ብዙ حالو
ኣነ ነቲ ጀማር ክብሎ ዝኽእል ሓደ ሰብ ንገንዘብ ጥራይ ኢሉ ዝኣትዋ እንድሕር ኣሎ ሓንቲ ነገር ምስ ተሰከመ ከም ትኸብዶ ኣምሽር እዚ ሰብ ግን ንሱ ክገብሮ ዝደሊ ነገር ንሱ እንድሕር ኮይኑ ቤዚክሊ ንሓደ ትገብሮ ነገር ሲ ፈቲኻ ክትገብሮ ከለኻ ንገንዘብ ኢልካ ክትገብሮ ከለኻ is different. When you're struggling, you're done if you don't like it. If you like it again, you're ready for the struggles. That's what I'd say. So make sure it's something you like before you jump into it.
ميكانيك كون كتابع مدح
يتابع هو نخندم ገንዘብ አለው እዚ ሕሶምኒ
انت هافتي مناينا قريب ناينا
قريبنا الى لعلنا زلنا
ماي جاي قريب ناينا هنفتمش مبلكني وتك على حاجه يعني
just completing third year.
Third year.
About to be in a fourth year, guys.
نعيك قدمني له مرحاني له هيك مخرني
حسا
له
ينزل مرحبا.
مرح كان هلا نعك كلاس نقبل. Thank you guys. I did business, baby.
These are fucking kids.
Dude, that's actually disturbing. That's not even like
It's not. We need to blow the fuck off by now. No, it's not. Good while understanding the seriousness of the situation. Oh, it's serious. It feels serious. I mean,
إريترانا ولعتنا إريترانا 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 إريترانا